Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and this is your girl Inara by Ashna. Today's video is all gonna be about the hair. Right now I have my natural hair. I haven't styled it at all. Today's video is going to be about a product review. I'm gonna talk about something that's quite the rage these days, which is custom made shampoos and conditioners. I'm pretty sure if you're a millennial and if you've been scrolling through your Instagram these past few months, you would have come across numerous brands that are selling custom made shampoos, conditioners, and even hair masks and whatnot. We are living in an era where we can get literally anything custom made, and I've been wondering how this custom made shampoo conditioners work, or does it actually make a difference, and is it worth spending money? How much does it even cost, or is it pricier than the normal shampoos and conditioners? I've had all those questions, just like what you guys have been thinking all this time. So I came across this very popular brand on Instagram, and since the moment I laid my eyes on that brand, I've been wanting to try it forever. I am talking about the brand Bare Anatomy. So I got my personalized version of Bare Anatomy shampoo and conditioner, and also a hair mask. What attracted me in Bare Anatomy was they do not have any harsh chemicals in their products, like a completely vegan, cruelty-free product. And secondly, they talk about the science behind how they manufacture these products. They actually check the quality of our hair and then they manufacture these products. So I decided to give it a try. When I went into their website, I was quite impressed. Because they were not just asking about what kind of shampoo I was looking for. They wanted to know about my hair care routine, my current routine, my hair wash cycle, and if I'm having hair fall, to what extent I'm having hair fall, and even to the extent of asking about my lifestyle. Maybe like, how often do you drink water? What is your current food intake like? Just to know if I'm having too much of junk food, or if I'm surviving on a healthy diet, because literally all those things count. So there were all these numerous questions which actually do not take up a lot of your time. I think I spend maximum 2 to 5 minutes answering these questions, and it's not boring, honestly. And then they give us a set of options from which you have to select what is your ultimate goal. What are you trying to achieve by switching to Bare Anatomy shampoos, conditioners, and hair masks? So there are different set of options like smoothing, anti-frizz, anti-dandruff, maybe shine, strengthen. I think there were a set of 10 to 15 options. You can choose up to 3 options from there. After that comes the details about the subscription. You can either go for a one-time purchase, or you can go for a 3-month subscription, for which if you make the payment right now, they will deliver the product to your doorstep at the beginning of every month, or you can go for a 6-month subscription. I decided to go for the 1-month subscription, and that cost me around 1,600 something. I'm pretty sure the delivery fee was also included in that. If you're going for 3-month subscription, the price is a bit lesser, and for the 6-month subscription, it's even more lesser. Makes sense. When I had to choose the 3 goals that I'm trying to achieve with this new shampoo conditioner, I went for anti-frizz, strength, and anti-hair fall. Then came the fun part, where you can choose the color of the product, like the color of the shampoo, conditioner, and hair mask that you want, and also smell. I am high on fragrance. If there's one thing in the world that can grab my attention in a split second, it's fragrance. So I went for this golden color for the products, and the smell I chose is that of vanilla. You can get your name printed on the bottle, and that was kind of exciting for me. So you can see, here's my name, Ashna, written on the bottle. After all this, they tell us what kind of hair I have, how is my hair quality or the hair strength as of now, and what is the thing that needs to be improved. And they talk about the scalp health and the hair health. So my result was that my scalp is pretty strong. Good job. But when it comes to the hair health, it's a bit dry and needs some TLC. Shampoo, I think it's pretty much like any other shampoo out there. And it's just a conditioner, because I expected the conditioner to be really thick. Maybe the current one that I've been using is like really rich and thick, like a cream almost. So maybe I think I got too used to that. And when it comes to the fragrance, the first time I was trying out these products, I decided to go full on. Just put a hair mask first and then cleanse it out with a shampoo and conditioner. So I was sitting there putting on this hair mask, and I have to say, if you have problem with fragrance, then maybe it's a good idea to stay away from this hair mask, because it was almost intoxicating. I mean, I'm not saying it's a bad smell, but it's like the vanilla smell was really overwhelming. It was like just rushing in through my nostrils and making it a bit too much, even for someone like me who loves fragrance so much. You only have to keep it for like 15 to 20 minutes max, and then you can wash it off. And that's when I realized why they made the fragrance so strong. After you wash it off, that's when the real smell of vanilla lingers on your hair. Really mild and pleasant. Coming to the shampoo and conditioner, the shampoo is quite cleansing. I would say mildly cleansing, because I strongly feel that this shampoo is not suited to an Indian having an Indian hair care routine. By this I mean, if you have a habit of applying oil in your hair, and if you intend on washing out this oil with a Bare Anatomy shampoo with the kind of combination that I've ordered, it's really mild. You know, when I do apply oil, I do want to completely get it out of my scalp and my hair, which is quite difficult with this product, because I'm gonna have to go with like 4 to 5 rounds of shampoo. But that thing apart, if I'm washing my hair on a normal day, I think I just need like 2 pumps of shampoo, mix it with some water, and then wash it down my hair, and it's like really crisp and clean. And when it comes to the conditioner, but I think it kind of lacks a little moisture. Now that's the thing with personalized shampoo and conditioners. These things can change depending on the kind of combination that you go for. But for a day-to-day cleansing, I would say this is like really good. These products, they do not sud. There's no foam with these products. So if you want foam and you have to like mix the shampoo with some water, that does not mean the product is bad. That is a myth. If the shampoo does not sud, it does not mean that the shampoo is bad. It just means that they focused on the right things rather than giving you like a fancy appearance. Everybody else said my hair seems like so full and like nourished and really good. So with Bare Anatomy products, my rating on a scale from 1 to 5, it would be 3. So I would say, if you have been wanting to try a customized shampoo and conditioner, then maybe you should go for Bare Anatomy, because it's pretty mild. It's really gentle on your scalp and hair, and do not worry about having any negative side effect. Even when it comes to frizz, I think it's quite manageable right now. I mean, the frizz is just in the normal manageable level. It hasn't like increased or become worse or anything like that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was informative. I think I covered everything that you guys have been doubtful about. I hope I answered a lot of your questions, but still, if you've got any questions regarding Bare Anatomy or the same combination of shampoo, conditioners and hair masks, then please leave it down in the comment section below, and I will respond to all your queries in no time. So if you've enjoyed this video and if you'd like to get more 100% honest reviews like this, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Inara by Ashna, and also make sure to click that little bell icon right there so that the next time I drop a bomb video, you are alerted about it. Until we see each other next time, this is Inara by Ashna signing off. Take care, guys.